Hello everyone, today we're gonna talk about setter and getter using a custom value. First, we create some class laptop with instance variable var type and then var price. Why type? Because I want to add the value into this variable, which is a type and the name of the laptop. And then we have a var price. After you instance a variable and then you create some setter with like this, just type void set with integer maximal price in these parameters, and then inside of this setter we adding some price is equal maximum price is multiplied by 2. And then after you create some setter, we move into the getter. What is the getter mean? The getter mean is you can take the value from the setter and print or use that on main function. How to create and get? You just simply type integers get and then get price with the return value of price. The price value is from this price at the setter, which is price is maximum price, and maximum price is for this parameter and multiplied by 2, and this price is saved into this variable. After you create some these two things and then move into a main function. Okay, after that we have a main function and class program. What is this? Let me explain in a simple way. First, we create some void main, and then at the instant variable we create some var lp, which is a laptop, and laptop is referring to this class. After that, we using the setter. The setter is lp.type. Variable lp is equal laptop, which is a laptop, a class program. And then type, where's the type? The type is variable that we define in the class laptop, and then we set lp.type into a MacBook Pro. After that, we set the lp.setPrice. The setPrice is referring into this setter function in class program. SetPrice integer maximum price. So here the 20 value will be adding into this maximum price and then calculating here and save here, and then we will call this getter method into the main program. How are we gonna do that? Just type print lp.type, that will be print the variable type, and then print lp.getPrice, that will be print the price, which is the price is maximum price multiplied by 2, and then the price value will be saved into this variable price value. Okay, let's jump into the IDE and then run the program. Okay, in this IDE we have a main function and then variable lp, which is an equal laptop class. After that, we have a using setter here and using the getter, and then at the class we have a variable type price and the setter with getter. Now let's run the program. Why it is showing a MacBook Pro? Because the LP is equal laptop and then type is referring into this variable, and what we do is change this type into this value. And then for the lp.setPrice we have a value 20, and 20 will be adding into this maximal price and calculating and save the price value after this into here. And yeah, that's how to create custom setter and getter function. Thank you very much for coming in. See you the next topic.